Hello and welcome. In this video, we will show you how quickly you can set up and run Selenium tests using Qxf2's PageObjectModel framework. The image shows a high-level overview of Qxf2's PageObjectModel framework and different components interact with it. Let's start by cloning the framework from GitHub. You will get a repository link under description below. Navigate to repository and copy the clone URL available under code drop-down button here. Now open your terminal and run the command git clone repository URL. It clones the repository. Navigate to the project directory with command cd Qxf2 PageObjectModel. Next, we need to install the required dependencies. Before that, it is a good practice to create a virtual environment and activate it. To create a virtual environment, run the command python -m venv environment name. It creates a virtual environment. Now activate it with command source environment name bin activate. Windows users, please use the command source environment name script activate. Now run the pip install command to install the requirements. Pip install -r requirements.txt. It will take a few seconds to install it. Now let's run the existing Selenium tests. You will get the existing tests under test directory. Simply execute the following Pytest command: Pytest test example form.py. Now the test starts running. It opens the Qxf2 Selenium tutorial main page. Fill the example form and click on click me button available on the page and check if it's working fine. And that's it. In just a few seconds, we set up the Qxf2's PageObjectModel framework and run an existing Selenium test. Now you are ready to customize and expand your suite. Thanks for watching the video. Happy testing.